this video I am going to share a face mask which will treat your damaged skin. For making this mask, you will need banana paste, honey and green tea. Take 2 teaspoons of banana paste, then add 1 teaspoon of honey into it, and then add 1 teaspoon of green tea into it, and then mix them well and then apply that on your face. But before applying it, you should wash your face with mild cleanser. Leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off with normal water. This mask will rejuvenate and moisturize your skin and you will instantly feel fresh.